Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is actually not going to be on makeup. I did slay my face though, so I'm not gonna see the highlight. It's popping, I know. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys a couple of my hairstyles and also how I do my hair when I get out of the shower. So I just got out of the shower not too long ago. I already did my makeup and everything. My hair did dry up a little bit, so I am just going to be spraying it down with some water. So the only products I really use on my hair is Diva Curl. I've been using it for, how long now? I want to say like 6 months. I haven't even been using it for a year and I can already tell there's a huge difference in my hair. And I do get the Decadence line, so that's the one that has like the little blue tip on the bottle. This is called No Poo, and the reason why it is called No Poo is because it doesn't have, I think it's lather. I don't know. I don't know too much about hair, but it is called No Poo and it pretty much acts like a shampoo. And the way this works is that you have to incorporate it with water. So while you are washing your hair, you want to be I rub it in like this, and then I'll rub it in up here, and then I'll go behind it, but I'll also add water in the same time I'm doing it. And you want to keep adding water because that's pretty much your activator right there. It will not do you justice if you're not adding water on it. Trust me, I promise you. And honestly, I even use it as a detangler. Like, I will get in there and start like finger combing my knots out. So that's a really great product for both of those things. So getting rid of dandruff and also detangling your hair. And that is why the No Poo is a complete win in my book. So we all know that conditioner is literally like the holy grail for curly heads. And I do use the One Condition, again, Decadence line. Love this stuff. It smells so good and it's ultra moisturizing, and it also says it's a milk conditioner. So, oh, by the way, I did want to show you guys, it is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. And that is why I love the freaking Diva Curl products. They're so amazing. They don't have any harsh chemicals in there that'll ruin your hair or anything like that. So with this guy, I definitely use it right after the ooh, fuck. I fucking suck. Like, the fuck? But anyways, I do use this guy right after I use the No Poo. And I only use it from about, I would say, here down. Sometimes on the roots, if my roots are a little bit frizzy. This is literally one of my like favorite products in the entire world. I can't get enough of this stuff. So I do put it on twice though. I'll use it right after the No Poo, and then I'll use it right after I get out the shower. So that is what I'm going to be showing you guys, what I do and how I style my hair for the day. I use about yay much. It's a little bit, but you know, I have a lot of hair, so I like to get in all the crevices. I'll just kind of like finger comb it through. And then bring some hairs to the front. You really want to spread this product all around because it's like the base of everything. Also, a lot of people forget to hit the top of their head, like center of their head. And that's literally like the one spot that gets the least amount of moisture. So you never want to forget about the top of your head. Okay, so next step is the Diva Curl Ultra Defining Gel. And it says that it's a strong hold, no crunch, and it's supposed to define and control your hair. Again, like I said, 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. By the way, you guys, this literally smells like Skittles, so everybody that smells my hair after this is like, oh my god, your hair smells so good. This keeps the guys going crazy over your hair. This stuff will keep your man smelling your hair, making him go to sleep with that shit as soon as you lay down with him in his face. You know what I'm talking about. I'll take about that much of the gel. So right after I'm done putting all of my Diva Curl products in my hair, I like to go in and take like little chunks of it and twist my hair around. By the way, I did learn this from my coworker Maria, so shout out to you, girl. But I did learn this trick from her, and I just kind of twist my hair and get the curls prepped for when they dry. And so I just kind of go in, and I'll just pick random pieces. Some are bigger than others, some are smaller, so it just doesn't really matter. It's just, I always like to twist in the direction going away from your face. So keep that in mind. Also, what this does is it gets rid of the frizziness that just your little flyaways. Okay, so now that we are done finger curling our hair, it should look a little something like this. Okay, so now that we are done prepping our hair for the day, I am going to wait about an hour for my hair to dry, and then we'll move on to the next step, and I'll show you guys how I style my hair and a couple of different ways that I do style it. So I will be right back. Alright, so I just let it dry for about an hour, a little bit over an hour now, and this is like the finished result. It's still not too dry, but this is how I like to work with it if I'm doing another hairstyle. So it's like mostly dry, but it's still underneath, it's a little bit wet, so it's easier to control. So normally I would just leave it like this and leave the house, and then I'm good to go, because we all know this is literally all curly heads have to do is wait for their hair to dry, and then it's styled. If I do another hairstyle, one of them is leaving out some of the hairs. And these are quick hairstyles, by the way. This is something that I don't spend a lot of time on. So, one second, let me see in the mirror. Really quick, really easy. Took about a couple seconds, maybe a minute to finish this, but this is one of my hairdos that I just kind of wear around when I don't really want all of my hair down, or if I just want to keep it a little bit stylish but still have my hair in a bun. This is like my perfect little go-to look. Another one of my hairstyles is using a little good old clip. I always lose these. I pretty much lose everything, but I've actually been very proud of myself because I bought a whole pack and I haven't lost one yet. And I've been using the same one, so you guys can congratulate me for that. This next one, we're still gonna keep the hair from this side down. We're gonna bring a little bit of these guys out to the front. But yeah, this is my, I'm innocent, I'm not the one to fuck with type of look, I'm just a good girl, Hold on one second. There we go. See? That's what I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure on there it looks a little bit weird and like you can't see my eyes, but it's really cute. It's really cute. Another style I like to do is a little Ariana Grande style. I don't like to do this too often because it pulls my hair and I don't like the way it pulls my hair, but it looks really cute. Really cute! Yeah, baby! You feel like Ariana Grande, you're just fucking feeling yourself. Okay, I'm done being Ariana Grande now. So this is just like a simple ponytail, 2 little side antennas, and you're good to go. These are just really simple hairstyles that I come up with right on the spot. I don't even think about it, and I just run with it. So yeah. So like I said, this is like my favorite way of wearing my hair. I just think that it's just so beautiful when it's naturally just down and you can see all my little curls. And by the way, I did open up some curls, but most of the time I don't like to because I like the little ringlets in my hair. So I just kind of let it be and fall in its place, and I just kind of shake my hair out. So when I do that, this is the end result. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.